Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Kiddwaya and Prince evicted from BBNiija lockdown house.
Prince, Kiddwaya, please leave the lockdown house meeting.
This is Big Brother.
During the BBNiija 2020 live show on Sunday, September 13, Prince and Kiddwaya were evicted from the lockdown house. The whole house was tense with when Ebuka called Prince as the customary exchange of final goodbyes in the house was said. During his chat with Ebuka, he said he knew he was going to be evicted and that was why he wanted to win the HOH game so bad. The evicted housemate said after he lost out on the game, he just felt he would be leaving the house during the next eviction show. On his feelings for Nengi, he parried the question by saying he just had to say he liked Nengi when everybody was asking who was the favorite housemate. Prince said that Dorothy is like a sister, saying he loves her as one. When he was shown the people who put him up for eviction, he was taken aback when he saw that Tricky T was among them. On his future plans, he said he would like to go into hosting, acting and especially agriculture. As Kiddwaya was evicted, he took it calmly as he has always been. When he was asked about how he feels about it all, he said that money was never his motivation. He also maintained that what he has for Nengi is pure friendship, contrary to the opinion that many have that had something going on. He added that Erica is more than a friend to him, saying he believes she's someone that always has his back. Ebuka also joked about Kiddwaya's dance skill. So guys, what do you think about Prince and Kiddwaya's sudden eviction in the BBNiija lockdown show season 5? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.